Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the English class. And today I'm going. Yesterday, actually, I explained you poem "A Legend of the Northland," and I have given you summary of the poem. And today I am going to explain the poem stanza wise, and I hope you will listen it attentively. And students, first of all, I am going to explain line first to 12. In these lines, the poet has described what happened in the poem. The poem is a narrative set in the backdrop of the cold region of Northland. Nature prompted her to bake another one, which was even smaller. But again, when she had finished baking it, she looked at it, and this cake too seemed too large to be given away for free. Students, now I'm going to explain line 32 to 40. Students, the woman then took a tiny bit of dough and rolled it as thin as she could. With this dough, she baked a cake which was as thin as a wafer. But the woman could not give even that to Saint Peter. She told him that her cakes felt too small when she ate them herself, but when she had to give them away, they appeared too large. Saying this, she placed even that thin wafer on the shelf because she was too greedy to part with a single morsel of food. Students, rest of the poem I will explain you tomorrow, and I am grateful that you are listening me attentively, and thank you so much for listening me. And tomorrow in the same period and same time I'll be again in front of you to explain rest of the poem. Till then, bye.